Alright, sorry, I screwed that up. I accidentally closed the thingy and it made it turn off. I'm trying to do this. You talking to it, buddy? Yeah. It's not 5:41 a.m. I guess we need to change the time. Well, kick it. Kick it. Good job. Gosh, I remember your feet barely even touched those. Now it goes to your knee. Of course, it could be you slide down some now, too. I think you're going to be an active kid. And I think you're going to be like, Daddy, ooh, shiny. The ooh, shiny syndrome. Well, you've been sitting in here for about 10 minutes, so that's good. Bless you. Are you bored with it now? You're such a silly goose. Uh-oh. There's the cord. Whee! Here we go! And 1 and 2. My goodness. Oh. And thing is, he's like this almost every morning about this time, between 6 and 7. Or whenever he wakes up for the morning. They're just gonna make fun for childhood. Mom, wake up. Mom, 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 wake up. Mom, let's go do something. Mom, wake up. I'm bored. Such a cutie. That's right. You tell him, bud. Tell him all about it. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna go get to the coffee.